Welcome to this course, Introductory Physics 1. We'll be having our lecture every Monday and Thursday, 2:30 to 4 p.m., as well as the laboratory, 4 to 5:30 p.m. I am Engineer Shalaida S. Alviso, your course instructor. I am a chemical engineer graduated from Mindanao State University, Marawi. Course description is: this is the first of the two courses in Introductory Physics that deals with the principles of physics in a non-calculus level. The course includes measurement, Newton's laws of motion, work and energy, momentum, gravitation, rotation, Hooke's law, hydrostatics, hydrodynamics, heat and laws of thermodynamics. The course content of this lecture is Lesson 1, Introduction and Measurement, Lesson 2, Physical Quantities and Vectors, and Lesson 3, Kinematics, and that's for your prelim. Midterm, Lesson 4, Newton's Laws of Motion, Lesson 5, Work, Energy, and Power, Lesson 6, Impulse and Momentum. Continues to Lesson 7, Rotational Kinematics, Lesson 8, Rotational Motion of Rigid Bodies, and Lesson 9, Simple Harmonic Motion and Elasticity. That's for your midterm. And as for the final, we'll be having Lesson 10, Fluids, Lesson 11, Temperature and Heat, and Lesson 12, Kinematics. As for the course requirements, you need to participate in my class, especially when we are conducting online. Activity Big Notebook, any color of activity notebook. Laboratory report, this is for the laboratory activities you will be conducting, and each of the activities you need to make a laboratory report. Quizzes and assignments, major exams, and of course, your module. Grading criteria for the prelim, midterm, and final exams, that is 25%. Quizzes and assignments and recitations or activity notebook, that's 10%, and for the attendance, 5% for a total of 100%. Passing score of 50%. For the laboratory, your laboratory report is 40%, laboratory activity is 25%, final exam is 25%. Recitations and participations as well as your attendance is 5%, for a total of 100%. The passing score of 50%. Course policies. Strict monitoring of attendance every meeting will be observed. 5 accumulated or consecutive absences without valid reasons means dropping from the class list. And class presence and participation points will be given to encourage class participation and discussion. And lastly, any form of cheating is strictly prohibited. Online class is online class. You need to secure a strong connectivity, especially during our online meetups, quizzes, and examinations. No internet connectivity is not an excuse if you cannot take quizzes and examinations. Assignments and activities are 2 to 5 days due for you to have a sufficient time to accomplish and turn it in online. Do not give the reason that you are in a place that do not have a good signal, for you know you have an online class to attend to. For the Mindanao State University Maguindanao, with its vision, the premier innovative center of development in the region. Mission: to train and enhance human capital through quality educational experiences, relevant research and innovations for regional and national development, and responsive community engagements and empowerment. Core values: responsiveness, inclusiveness, sustainability, innovativeness, global competence, integrity, collaboration, and that is rising in collaboration. Thank you and welcome once again to our course.